Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore the Dahua conventional fire alarm control panel with 4 zones. The system includes a conventional fire alarm control panel, 2-wire/4-wire smoke and heat detectors, multi-sensor detectors, manual call points, strobes, bells, sounders, and remote indicators. It can also integrate with linear beam smoke detectors for enhanced fire detection. Now, let's explore the functions of the buttons on the control panel. The control panel shows zone status indicators for sounder, power, and faults. Fire indicators cover system fire, MCP, and AUX inputs. Functionality buttons support muting, resetting, and testing. And the buzzer provides audible alerts for quick response. Indicators show zone status, fire, fault, and disable. Indicators highlight power and fault conditions. Key indicators illuminate to signal power and fault conditions. Fault indicators alert to system issues and manual activations. Indicators show system status, disable zones, debug mode, and access levels. Indicators reflect system modes, reset, tests, and sounder control. The FACP has 3 levels of access: default, action permissions, and advanced debugging. Press accumulate and buzzer silence to access advanced functions. Press admin control and buzzer silence simultaneously to enter level 3 for advanced debugging and updates. Press the reset button to restore system status within 20 seconds and clear faults within 100 seconds. Activate the disconnection test to ensure system checks without affecting normal operations. Initiate the alarm test to verify system alerts while ensuring real emergencies are prioritized. Use the silence functions to temporarily mute alarms and manage alert notifications effectively. FACP terminals, zone for detectors, bell for alarms, fire/fault for third-party alerts, AUX for external detectors, RS-485 for unit interconnection, RS-232 reserved. Ensure continuous operation by managing the main and backup power systems effectively. Connect seamlessly to the AIoT platform and upgrade systems efficiently using RJ45 and USB ports. You can upgrade the FACP through the USB.
The USB format should be FAT32. You'll need to put the upgrade field in the root. After you insert the USB, you'll need to go inside the level 3. By push the button, admin control and the panel put the sirens in the center. And after you get the level 3 permission, the LED light will light. And later you need to push these 2 buttons, accumulate and admin control in the center, to start search the firmware in your USB root, and the debug light will light. After you finish upgrade, the debug will automatically dark.
Now, let's jump into demonstration part.
There is the application demonstration about triggering FCP fire alarm after deployment of our system. We push the FCP button. All the system changes to fire alarm stage from monitoring stage with audible alarm and LED flashing, and the LED indicates changes to light on the panel.
The detectors are connected to a 2-wire, non-polar bus in series. Dahua's conventional fire alarm systems are perfect for small to medium-sized buildings, offering essential detection and alarm functions. Ideal for residential areas, schools, and hotels, these systems provide reliable protection without the need for advanced features. For more information, please scan the QR code displayed on the screen.